Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that will capture all the action on the road.
In the left corner, we have the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, and in the right corner, we have the PRUVEEO Cam D90-4 carbon monohydride.
Let's jump right into it. Alright, let's talk about the price.
The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes in at a cool $129, while the PRUVEEO Cam D90-4CH is priced at $189. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to save some bucks whenever I can.
Point goes to the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 for being more budget-friendly. When it comes to size and design, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 takes the lead.
It's so tiny, it's practically invisible behind your rear-view mirror. You won't even notice it's there.
On the other hand, the PRUVEEO Cam D90-4CH is a bit bulkier. But hey, bigger isn't always better, right? Now let's talk about video quality. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 boasts a wide 140-degree lens and records in 1080p with Garmin Clarity HDR optics.
That means you'll get crisp and clear footage day or night.
But wait, the PRUVEEO Cam D90-4CH isn't backing down.
It also records in 1080p and has a super wide-angle lens. It even has infrared lights for better night vision.
This one's a tie, folks.
Alright, let's dive into the features. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes with voice control, allowing you to use spoken commands to save videos, take pictures, and more. It also has a parking guard feature that monitors activity around your parked vehicle. But hold on, the PRUVEEO Cam D90-4CH has something up its sleeve too.
It has built-in GPS for precise location tracking, and even has cabin cameras that can rotate in different directions.
I can't decide, folks.
It's a tie again.
When it comes to durability, both dash cams are built to withstand tough conditions.
The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 can handle direct sunlight and hot temperatures, while the PRUVEEO Cam D90-4CH is designed to withstand all weather conditions. It's like they're saying, bring it on, Mother Nature. Another tie, folks.
The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 wins in terms of price and size, while the PRUVEEO Cam D90-4CH shines in video quality and features.
Ultimately, it comes down to your personal preferences and needs. And that's a wrap, folks.
It's a tough call between the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 and the PRUVEEO Cam D90-4 carbon monohydride.
The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 wins in terms of price and size, while the PRUVEEO Cam D90-4CH shines in video quality and features. Ultimately, it comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Remember, always do your research before making a purchase.
Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where we help you choose the best products for your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos.
Drive safe and see you next time.